Hello there, I'm Gav.
I'm Dan.
We're the Slow-Mo Guys. Dan, what would you say is the most interesting natural disaster?
I'm quite impressed by things like tornadoes.
Tornadoes,
They're pretty
good.
cool.
I quite like wildfire.
Should we sort of combine the two?
Melting pot. The fire tornado is actually, surprisingly, a naturally occurring event. Pretty rare.
Pretty awesome.
Pretty awesome. So we're going to recreate it with about 12 box fans in a circle and some fire.
Okay, so we've got about ½ inch of kerosene in there. Just going to light it, step back and let it build up, and then we'll turn the fans on, okay?
Alright, I'm ready on fancy.
Here we go.
Yeah, that's lit.
Okay, just let it build up.
Go for it.
Yep. Oh, sweet. It's like 10 foot there. Oh, that's awesome. Look at that. Yeah. Yeah, it wasn't high enough. Look at that! It's literally a perfect spiral. Look at that! That's perfect.
Well then, I'm not being funny, that looks phenomenal.
Yeah, looks amazing, doesn't it?
I'm always waffling on about how lit it is, flame looks good. Spinning flame, even better. I think now I want flame.
Yeah, it looked so good. I just wanted to eat it.
It did look good.
It looks so smooth.
I've never wanted to eat fire.
Yeah, so nice.
Did you get sinned?
Actually, for once, I didn't lose any.